Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's a Factory 5 Daytona Coupe. She is an amazing car. You're gonna love checking this one out. I absolutely love driving these cars. And you know what's so cool about these babies is back in the day when they were racing these things in the GT40s, some of these cars were like that close behind those GT40s and those Ferraris, man. These things are some badass cars. And look at it, man. That white with the blue stripes looking iconic, just like back in the day, man. Ken Miles driving these cars, having a blast. I tell you, they are some super cars. I absolutely have had a blast driving every one we've ever owned. Absolutely gorgeous. I tell you what, the paintwork on it's looking sweet. Tell you what, I love the wheel and tire combo, and of course the dual side pipes on each side looking sweet. I love the mirrors on this one too, really looking good. Now the way to get in these is you just reach in and find the door handle. This window just slides back and forth. Look at the interior in there. All looking sweet, just absolutely gorgeous. There goes a Camaro, one of our mechanics going out to test drive it. Love the seats there too. We've got a 4-point harness set up in there, looking good. Then of course the bubble back, man, I love it. Got a spare tire in there. Looks like they got a jack in there too. You take that spare tire in there, you can go to the grocery store with this baby, pick up some groceries. And I have had them at the grocery store before. I took one home a while back, and everywhere I went, I had somebody following me when I got there. They want to know, what in the world kind of car is that? Everybody thinks it's a Ferrari. Tell you what, Mr. Shelby really knew what he was doing when he built these cars. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this Daytona Coupe, so you know we checked it out before we bought it. Then the first thing we do to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and they get inspected, and then we take our pictures and do our videos so you know exactly what it's going to look like when it hits your driveway. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to All right, we're underneath this baby now. I love the tail panel on these cars, just so cool. And then look at this, man. We got independent rear suspension back here, looking sweet. We got that 8.8 center section with a 355 gear in there, the coilovers holding it up, the electric fuel pump back here, disc brakes back here. You can see everything looks absolutely gorgeous. Now this thing's got a frame just like the factory 5 Cobras, so she's solid as a rock. I tell you, you jack this baby up right here, the whole ass end will come up. It is solid as a rock. Nice work on the 10 work here, all looking good. TKO600, that's a Tremec 5-speed. We got bell housing here is explosion proof. We got a cable clutch on here. We got a big extra capacity pan. It does have a sensor in here for the temperature on the oil. Motor mounts, of course, look like they're brand new. I mean, up front here, fully adjustable suspension. The upper control arms adjust the front and rear. We've got a sway bar here. Of course, the disc brakes up here also. Now, this nose is low to the ground, so when you get up close to a curb, make sure you pull back. The nose on this thing is about that much longer than you think it is when you're in the car. Let's look at these wheels and tires. These babies are Halibrands, which are very cool. They've been around forever, looking sweet. Now, they kind of look like the GT40 style wheels, kind of like retroed. 255/40 17s up front. We got Ford Performance on the side. Here are these latches right here is what open and close the hood. You just pull that up on each side and then the whole hood folds up. Jet coated side pipes, you got to keep your leg off of them babies because they get just a little bit hot. We got back here the business end, this is where the rubber meets the road. 315/35 17s, putting the horsepower down to the road, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive. All right, under the hood here, we got Roush 427 power here, baby. Look at this thing, looking sweet. It's a 427R also. We've got the Edelbrock intake on there. It's got a run-alone distributor. No, there is a 6AL box on there. So it is a stock appearing distributor, but it has been upgraded to the MSD. It is a 750 CFM carb on there. You can see that that front suspension's all fully adjustable like I told you before. We've got just everything looking sweet on here. It's got the electric power brakes. It's got power steering on it. It's got a serpentine belt set up on it. It does have AC. I mean, everything about this thing is just as cool as can be, man. She is ready to rock and roll, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.